Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, one of my students from India. His name is not mentioned. He complained that IDP is repeating IELTS results, especially when the test takers they appear in IELTS test second time, they give them the same result as they gave them the previous time or the last time. Now, first of all, I need your opinion. Please comment this video and do let me know if you agree with this or you disagree with this, right? Because this is his personal opinion, and in order to support his opinion, he's got two evidences. He says IDP is repeating the results last month on 21st. My friend took the test and she got the same results when she had written previously. So this is one evidence, and then he says not only that, my friend, there is another friend, she also got the same results. एक ते तेरियां सारियां फ्रेंडां कुड़ियां ने हाँ की करना है कित्थों दम कराया सी सानू भी दस दे हाँ साडे नाल ते मुंडे ही टंगे जांदे ने हाँ anyways so I mean this can be now I'll give you my comment on that as well. So this is what he said and he has shared this with me. Now guys, let me tell you, what do the students do sometimes? They've taken one IELTS test, when the result is announced, the same day they book another test, and without any preparation they take test after test. Now I would not blame IDP solely for that. If they are giving the same result second time, it means their results are consistent. It means like once if they give 6 each to a candidate and second time again they are giving 6 each, it means the test and the results are consistent, right? So the thing is, like, if you're taking IELTS every month and you think without preparation your result will improve, because you know within 2 weeks you cannot see a big change in your English. I know some people who do double booking. Double booking means they reserve their seats twice, not only once. They reserve 2 times. So I've seen those people as well who've done the double booking, right? So actually, when they are doing this double booking thing, most definitely then the result is going to be same. 1 week IELTS test, second week another IELTS test. So this is how the results are going to be same. Now, I need your opinion on that, right? And I'm not going to blame IDP for that if they're giving the same results. I mean, because you guys should see that if you're taking, like you took IELTS 3 months ago, and then 3 months went by and you practiced a lot, and then you took IELTS test again, there if you see any change, improvement in your language, that is going to reflect in your IELTS test. Otherwise, if you take IELTS test every month, every week, and then you say they are repeating the results, so obviously the level of the English that you have, that is same, so they will give you the same results as well. All the best, but your comments are going to be valuable in this regard, and most definitely you should comment. And if you've got any experience of same repetition of the results, please share that with me, because I need more evidence before I come towards any conclusion that IDP is to be blamed or not. Because in India now IDP is the only player, as British Council left the ring, left the game, so IDP is the only player. So if there is anything you feel, just tell me about it, and I will collect enough evidence before I come to any conclusion or before I jump to any conclusion. All the best. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.